Hello, my name is Mark Ledgeford, and these are the 5 pictures I took, starting from landscape, all the way to dislike and close up. First, we'll start with close up, and with the close up, it's just an ordinary picture of my wall, and I don't know if you can tell, but from the picture, it has a rough pattern to it, and I made sure the picture was near something shiny, which was the poster I have hanging in my room, which gives it a little bit of a gloss. Next, something I dislike, which is changing diapers. That really sucks. But in the picture, it just shows a bunch of diapers we have laid out for when we have to change her. About it. Next, I have a picture of a landscape, which is of my backyard, and I have a pretty big backyard, so it's kind of good to take pictures of landscape. Next, I have something I like to do, or something I like, which is cooking. I like to cook food, like to make it, and like to eat it. But this is just a picture of our stove top with some food boiling, and on the side you can kind of see some tortillas being made. But yeah. Then last, we have portrait, and this is of my daughter smiling, and I think this is a really good picture. You can see how you can just see how she glows and how the background is disfigured while she is perfectly intact. Thank you and have a good day.